Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jenna. I'm excited that you're here today. We are talking about making just a couple of very simple cleaning solutions that are going to take care of almost every job in your house. The very first thing is an all-purpose cleaner. I need something that's going to get rid of the yuck, the sticky spots from little hands. I need something that's going to kill the bacteria and viruses and the germs that come into my house. And so I have a simple solution for that. I have these really great glass bottles that I picked up from Grove Collaborative, but they also have really great options on Amazon and places that I also use those and I've had just as great of luck. It's always fun to kind of pick up a couple of labels. They have these available on different websites and also through like Etsy and places like that people custom make those. But I kind of love having a cute little label on them. So this is just my all-purpose cleaner. And all I do, I actually take this and I fill it about 3/4 of the way full with water. There's a little bit of soap residue left in here from my last time. So that's filled up in there. And then I'm going to take some Castile soap. You need about 1/2 cup. I find that works best for me. And then within the bottle, I'm just going to add some essential oils that are really powerhouses at killing all of the nasty stuff. So the first one is On Guard. This is known as a protective blend, which means that it is boosting immune systems, killing germs, getting all of the junk out. So I'm going to add about 10 drops of that oil in. And then I also really love mixing grapefruit with the On Guard. It's a really wonderful smell together. So I add an equal amount of grapefruit. Now grapefruit is also known for its cleaning abilities. Any of the things in the citrus family are really great for cleaning your air, cleaning surfaces, and killing germs. So really simple one. Give it a little bit of a shake, and I use this for wiping down countertops, wiping doorknobs and handles and all kinds of places, all of my chairs and things where the kids get their sticky little fingers. So that's my all-purpose cleaner. Now my next one is for my showers, my baths. So we have lots of minerals in our water out here in the country, and so I need something that's going to break through that grime and the nasty buildup that comes. And so I like to use vinegar. So I'm going to fill this about half full with vinegar. Rest of the way with water. And then within there I need some dish soap. Now a lot of the recipes that I have seen on Pinterest and places for a bath and shower cleaner call for Dawn dish soap. And I have a hard time putting that into my cleaners because I know that it's not really the cleanest product. There are some ingredients within Dawn dish soap that I'm not all that comfortable breathing in and having in my home. So I have really great luck. I use Honest Company dish soap that I order with my diapers every month. And it's a really great and clean option as far as toxicity and chemicals go. So I really love using that. And then I use a couple of essential oils in this as well. I like putting Purify and lemon essential oil into my bathroom cleaner. Now for cleaning my showers and my bathtubs, I will take this and spray it all over the surface and let it sit there for about 5 minutes or so and let it really just start working and let those essential oils start breaking down the grime. And then I can take a little scrub pad in there and just wipe it all down, and it immediately breaks up all of those minerals and the buildup that's on the shower walls. And I don't have any problem. I can just rinse it all down then, and it's so quick, so fast and easy. I had spent so much time using conventional cleaners and trying to scrub all that away, and it just wasn't working that well. And this is just really a simple and effective way. It's natural. You're not gagging and having all kinds of reactions to the stuff that's in your bathroom. So I find it to be a really, really great solution. Joanna actually years ago was cleaning her bathroom and using traditional cleaners, and she started having an asthmatic attack. And it was at that moment that we kind of thought, you know, this is probably not the best stuff for us. So there's this assurance in knowing that my kids aren't breathing that stuff in, that I can hand them these things to go off and clean, knowing that it's not getting into their bloodstream, they're not touching it, and they're just not going to have any kind of long-term effects because of what I'm giving them. So it's very, very simple things to do. I also have invested in a couple of Norwex rags, which I highly, highly recommend. They last a really long time and are well worth their cost. But you can clean with a Norwex rag with just water, because woven into these fibers are silver. It's actually antibacterial and can clean without using any chemicals at all. Making your own household cleaners is a really, really simple and effective way for keeping the toxins and the chemicals out of your home and saving money at the same time. So give it a try. It's not complicated at all. Just takes a couple of minutes and a few products that are going to last you for a lot of years. We hope that you have enjoyed this, and we will see you on the next one.